In the world of personal and small business accounting, GnuCash has earned a reputation as a powerful, free, and open-source solution. As a double-entry accounting program, it offers robust features for tracking finances, managing invoices, and creating detailed reports. However, a common practical question arises when users upgrade their hardware, get a new computer, or simply want a backup. How do I transfer GnuCash to another computer? This process, while not overly complicated, requires a methodical approach to ensure all your financial data and configuration settings are moved correctly and securely. Unlike some cloud-based accounting solutions where your data is automatically synced, GnuCash data is stored locally on your computer. Therefore, the transfer process involves manually moving files from one machine to another. As an accounting software expert, I'll walk you through the steps to perform this transfer accurately, ensuring you don't lose any critical financial information. The process essentially boils down to 3 key steps: locating your files on the old computer, transferring them to the new one, and then setting up GnuCash on the new machine to recognize them. Step 1. Locate and back up your GnuCash files on the old computer. Before you do anything else, you need to find where your GnuCash data is stored. GnuCash saves your financial data in a single file, typically with a .GnuCash extension. Open GnuCash. The easiest way to find your data file is to open GnuCash on your old computer. Go to File, Save As. Even if you don't intend to save a new copy, this action will open a dialog box that shows you the current file name and its exact location on your computer. Note this down. Use your computer's File Explorer. Navigate to the location you just identified. The file will have an icon associated with GnuCash and a name like myfinances.gnucash or something similar that you chose when you first set it up. Identify associated files. In some cases, GnuCash might create backup files in the same directory. These files often have a .gnucash.log or .gnucash timestamp.gnucash extension. While the main .gnucash file is the most important, it's a good practice to copy all files with the .gnucash extension from that folder to be safe. Create a backup. Copy these files to a reliable external storage device, such as a USB flash drive, an external hard drive, or a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. This serves as your backup. It's an essential step, as it provides a safety net in case anything goes wrong during the transfer. Step 2. Install GnuCash on the new computer. You need to have the GnuCash software installed on your new computer before you can open your data file. Download from official source. Go to the official GnuCash website, www.gnucash.org, and download the latest version of the software for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Install the software, run the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process is straightforward and typically doesn't require any special configuration. It's highly recommended to use the same version of GnuCash on both computers if possible, or a newer version on the new computer. Opening a file saved in a newer version with an older version of GnuCash may cause compatibility issues. Step 3. Transfer the GnuCash files to the new computer. Now that the software is installed, you can move your data files. Copy files from backup. Take your external storage device from Step 1 and plug it into your new computer. Copy the .GnuCash file and any associated backup files from the device. Choose a destination. Decide where you want to store the file on your new computer. A good practice is to create a specific folder for your financial data, e.g., Documents/GnuCash. This makes it easy to find and back up in the future. Paste the copied files into this folder. Step 4. Open your financial data file on the new computer. With the files in place, you can now open them using the newly installed GnuCash software. Launch GnuCash. Open GnuCash on your new computer. Open existing file. Go to File, Open. Navigate and select. In the dialog box that appears, navigate to the folder where you saved your .GnuCash file in the previous step. Select the file and click Open. GnuCash should now open your financial data, and you'll see all your accounts, transactions, and reports just as they were on your old computer. Important considerations and best practices. Back up regularly. This transfer process highlights the importance of regular backups. Whether it's to an external drive or a cloud service, backing up your GnuCash file periodically is the best way to prevent data loss. Synchronizing across multiple computers. If you want to use GnuCash on 2 different computers simultaneously, e.g., a desktop and a laptop, a simple copy and paste won't work for synchronization. The best method for this is to store your .GnuCash file in a cloud synchronization folder, like Dropbox, Google Drive, or OneDrive. When you save the file on one computer, it automatically syncs to the cloud, and when you open it on the other computer, it pulls the most recent version. However, be extremely careful not to have the file open on both computers at the same time, as this can lead to conflicts and data corruption. Always close the file on one computer before opening it on the other. Hidden configuration files. GnuCash also stores configuration settings, like window layout, report preferences, etc., in a separate location. These are typically in a hidden folder in your user directory, e.g., /config/GnuCash on Linux and Mac OS, or %appdata%/GnuCash on Windows. While not essential for the data transfer, copying these folders can help replicate your user experience and settings on the new computer. File permissions. If you encounter issues opening the file, check the file permissions to ensure your user account has the necessary read and write access.